Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. This is Talk Crypto Bull here once again to update you guys on the greatest and latest news and rumors of the crypto world. Let's get right into it, guys. Well, guys, as we know, in September 18, in about 14 days, the federal rate is going to announce if they're going to cut rates or not. But the question is, can U.S. Fed rate cuts push Bitcoin down, or or is it going to make it is it going to go up 20% or is it going to go down 20%? What's going to happen when the rates if the rates get cut in September 18? Well, guys, it looks like some analysts are saying that U.S. Fed rate cuts could push Bitcoin down 20%. It says Bitfinex says it's a challenging time for Bitcoin traders as the U.S. Fed's widely expected rate cut could lead to a drop in Bitcoin's price and not a boost as hoped by the market. A long-awaited United States Federal Reserve interest rate cut could push the price of Bitcoin down, the opposite direction of many market participants' expectations, and possibly cause it to dive to the levels not seen since February, analysts say. If we were to speculate, we would caution to expect a 15 to 20% decline when rates are cut this month, with a bottom of 40 to 50K for BTC, Bitfinex analysts wrote in September 2nd. They also said that September has historically been a volatile month for Bitcoin, and they anticipate Fed rate cuts could only add another layer of complexity, potentially accelerating the market's volatility. Well, I agree with that. Whenever the Fed meets and they announce if they're cutting rates or raising rates, it's always volatile, guys. So definitely expect volatility on September 18, maybe a few days before and a few days afterwards as well. But this logic could be negated quite easily if macroeconomic conditions change. These are uncertain times for traders. The Fed interest rate decision is scheduled to take place on September 18, and the market sentiment is optimistic that it will lower rates after dovish comments from Fed Chair Jerome Powell on August saying that the time has come. Investors often view perceived riskier assets like Bitcoin as more attractive when interest rates are cut, as traditional assets like bonds and term deposits become less lucrative. Bitcoin traded at 57,754 at the time of publication, down 2.76% over the past 7 days, according to CoinMarketCap data. A 20% drop from its current price will place it around 46,000, which it last traded on February 8. It's also level that Bitcoin needs to reach before a bull run begins, according to Marcus Dealing. Dealing also said, to ideally time the next bull market entry, we aim for Bitcoin prices to fall into the low 40,000s. The Bitcoin layer analyst Joe Consorti wrote on September 3 that 60,000 is no longer a blow-off top level dominated by speculators. It is consolidation zone where long-term mature holders accumulate and huddle. Meanwhile, crypto trader Dean Crypto trades he said that Bitcoin is still fighting around its bull market support band, but it doesn't seem to want to move away from it or either side at this point. Basically, it's just going sideways. Yeah, it's just it's a boring market. It's just kind of been going sideways between like 55K and 65K, like for the last like 3 weeks. Besides that $49,000 dip we had on Black Monday, it's just been going sideways, guys. And today it did dip as low as 55,555 again. And at the time of recording, the price is right now 56,493. But it'll probably recover again. It already hit 55.5K, so it'll probably bounce back up, to like 57, 58, and it'll just keep going sideways, in my opinion, guys. And according to the article, if we do have a 20% drop, from in case after the Fed rate cuts, if it does reach 46,000, it's totally possible. But I think if that happens, it'll just be like a quick wick, kind of like on Black Monday, August 5th, Black Monday. It kind of just lasted 2 days, like August 5th and August 6th. I think if it does wick down to 46K, it'll just be like for a day or two, couple days, maximum a week. But it'll probably just be like the Black Monday quick shakeout, get the weekends out, make the people who are very fearful sell out of the position, and then it'll just recover back up like a V-shaped recovery, like it usually does. Yeah, guys. So don't be scared out of your position. But historically, whenever there's bullish news, the market maker does make it volatile, and it does make it dip really quick, shake everybody out, but then it recovers quickly. Even in Nvidia, just a few days ago, it had like excellent earnings report, and it still went down. It's like it was like 126 or something like that, and I think it's like trading like 109 or something like that right now. So I mean that's what the market maker does. I mean, it likes to fool everybody. On bullish news, it makes the prices go down, and on negative news, it makes the prices go up. Just keeps everybody guessing, guys. But you just have to stay strong and have conviction in your projects, because I do believe once Q4 hits, we are going to start trending upwards and eventually hit the parabolic bull run for Bitcoin and the cryptocurrency market. But I do see September just being kind of like August, just more sideways action between like 55K and like 65,000, just the same as August. Although we could wick down to as low as 49,000, just to toss to sweep the lows again of Black Monday. I see it in the cards, totally possible. But I do not believe we will go below 49,000. I don't think we will get to 46,000 like this article says. I think the 49,000 we made on Black Monday, August 5th, that is Bitcoin's local low, and I do believe it will hold. Well, guys, are you guys bullish on Bitcoin? Are you guys bullish on the Fed rate cuts? What do you think is going to happen? It's definitely going to be volatile, but is it going to be bullish for Bitcoin and cryptocurrencies, or is it going to be bearish for Bitcoin and cryptocurrencies? Let me know in the comments, guys. Also, guys, help us out with the YouTube algorithm. Please like the videos so we could get better help with the YouTube algorithm, and also help us out by growing the channel. Subscribe to the channel. Alright, guys, it's Top Crypto Bull signing off, and I'll see you in the next one.